is Lalit Dikshit, and in this video I'm going to talk about the differences among so many feelings. Like in my previous video, I had talked about desire, compulsion, efforts. Then I talked about the use of want to, try to, have to, has to, had to. But today I feel like talking about remaining feelings. Like so many people asked me through comments that they were confused about like where we use need to or want to, or what is the difference between want to and need to. Okay, so need to means requirement, your necessity. Formula will remain same. Like, previously I told you, do you want to action, do you try to action, do you have to action, and here also, do you need to action? And if the answer is positive, I need to action, and negative answer, I do not need to action. And for third person, does he need to action? He needs to action, he does not need to action. And if we have to talk about past, so we will replace do, does with did. So the formula will be, did you need to action? And answer, I needed to action, I did not need to action. And the formula will remain same for the third person for every singular plural subject. Fine. Again, some people commit mistakes while using noun, name of thing. They say, I need to money. This is incorrect. I need money is correct sentence. Because money is not an action. So we use to connect two verbs together, as I told you in my previous videos. So, do you need name of thing? I need name of thing. I don't need name of thing. Does he need name of thing? He needs name of thing. He does not need name of thing. Okay? So again, I just give you examples. Do you need progress? Do you need success? But if we want to use succeed, then we have to use to. For example, do you need to succeed in your life? Do you need to save money? Do you need to develop your personality? Do you need to calm down? So, if the question is with the need, answer has to be with the need. Mainly in interviews or in presentations, or when you are talking in your institution or at your office, people are asking question, do you need? And you are saying, I want. It doesn't make any sense. Okay? Because necessity is something which you need. Or want means your desire, your wish. Okay. Now, I am going to talk about another feeling that is called like. Like to. Means when you really want to do that. When you really have a feeling to do that. And you admire that thing. You like to do that thing. If you normally like, you can say, I like to do this thing. But if you have great feeling for doing that work, then you can also use, I love to do that thing. And format will be same. Like, do you like to action? I like to action. I don't like to action. And yes, you can also ask this question, do you love to action? Answer, I love to action. I don't love to action. Okay? And for third person, we have to use does he love to, he loves to, he does not love to. Does he like to, he likes to, he does not like to. And when we have to talk about past, so what time verb we will use, what helping verb we'll use instead of do, does? Did. So formula will be, did you like to action? I liked to action. I did not like to action. Did you love to action? I loved to action. I did not love to action. So I believe you have got idea like what sort of formations we require when we talk about likings or necessity. Here also you will follow the same thing which you followed for the need to while using non-action. Do you like your family? Do you like your car? Do you like the place where you live? Do you like your mobile phone? So answer will be I like. And I don't like. Does he like? He likes. He doesn't like. Someone gave you something as a gift. And I am asking you, did you like that gift? Oh, I liked that gift. No, I did not like that gift. So be careful while you are speaking. I liked that gift. I did not like that gift. What by mistake you might say, I did not like that gift. This is incorrect. So the correct sentence is, I liked, I did not like. Alright? So I believe you have got so many formulas to talk about your likings. Or when you really like too much, you can use love to. But when you dislike something, you can also use hate. But avoid using this word. I hate to do this one. But yes, sometimes people ask you, do you hate to fight? Do you hate to waste your time? Do you hate to wait? So I hate to, I don't hate to. Hate means when you are expressing your dislike towards something. Like I hate to argue. I hate to waste my time. Alright? So please use these formulas in your conversation with your family members and friends. And you can make sentences also for your memory, like how many formulas you have covered and what you have learned. So still there are so many formulas left to teach you. And in my next video, I'm gonna talk about new formulas, which you really have to use in your day-to-day life conversation. And I love to read your comments, as I told you in my last video as well. Please keep commenting so that I can, add things what you want me to add on. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.